Welcome back to Cars R Us, and as you can see, it's a rainy day here. So I decided to show you some of the features on the inside. So as you see, it says if you want to drive with the Google Maps, you have to turn on the location on the center screen. So here's your center screen. You can go to Maps. It's gonna tell you to go to Settings, turn on. You're done. Close. Now give it some time to warm up, and you'll be able to see. Same thing that you see on this screen, you can see it on your dashboard. Hey Google, where's the nearest gas station? And it's loading up the gas station. So now if I wanted to, I can go ahead and go to Budget and get some gas because I'm about to run out. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button.